In today's digital age, some of the most popular web browsers, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome, are ubiquitously installed on Windows operating systems. These browsers are essential tools for most online activities. However, they also expose users to various cyber threats. Understanding and configuring these browsers appropriately is crucial for enhanced online security. Internet Explorer, IE, is among the most widely used browsers, often pre-integrated into Windows systems. It supports Java, other active content, and ActiveX technology. To bolster IE's security in Windows 10, access the browser's settings area. Under the Internet Options area, go to the Security tab, where you can find multiple security zones. Increasing the security level for the Internet zone to high disables features like ActiveX, Active Scripting, and Java, which are known security vulnerabilities. For more granular control, use the Custom Level option to enable or disable specific settings. Trusted websites can be added under the Trusted Sites option, while cookie management is located in the Privacy tab. Mozilla Firefox is another widely used browser. Increasing its security involves accessing the settings area via Tools and Options. Under the General category, select Always Ask Me Where to Save Files to manage automatic downloads. In the Privacy category, enable Never Remember History and always use Private Browsing mode, especially in shared environments. The Security category offers options for malware and phishing protection, and the Passwords section allows management and encryption via a master password. Google Chrome, increasingly popular, also has key security settings located in the Settings area. Advanced Sync settings enable the addition of a passphrase for enhanced security. The Privacy Settings section allows the deletion of browsing history and additional granular control through content settings. In today's digital era, ensuring the security of your internet connectivity is paramount. Open and insecure public Wi-Fi networks are particularly attractive to cybercriminals. However, there are several security measures that individuals can adopt to protect themselves. Firstly, it is essential to turn off public network sharing options. Public wireless networks generally lack robust security, thus making them prime targets for hackers. To turn off public sharing, access the Windows Control Panel, navigate to Network and Sharing Center, click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Select the public profile and disable file sharing, network discovery, and public folder sharing. Additionally, keep the firewall enabled, whether it is the standard Windows firewall or a superior third-party product. When conducting sensitive operations, always use secure websites and avoid public networks for financial transactions. Utilizing a virtual private network, VPN, adds another layer of security by shielding your data from wireless sniffers. Remember to turn off the Wi-Fi connection when it's not in use. Regularly updating and patching your system is another critical step. It ensures that your system benefits from the latest security features. A reliable antivirus product is also pivotal. Opt for antivirus solutions that offer real-time scanning, firewall, and automatic updates. Similarly, a good anti-spyware solution provides essential protection against malware, particularly on public networks. It's wise to avoid financial transactions on open networks without using specialized protection. Securing your browser before accessing any website is necessary, alongside employing two-factor authentication for added protection. For home wireless networks, security measures start with changing the default SSID and setting a strong and unique password. Always disable the wireless network when not in use, particularly during extended absences. Position the router centrally within the home for optimal security and reduced eavesdropping risks. Set a strong password for the network administrator and disable remote access to mitigate external threats. Keeping the router's firmware up to date is important, as is installing a robust firewall. Additionally, securing frequently connected devices ensures no door is left open for cybercriminals. By adopting these practices, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of cyber attacks and maintain safer internet usage. In the modern digital landscape, the risk of cybercriminals accessing your inbox is ever present. Ensuring top-tier email security is crucial. Here's a comprehensive guide on protecting your email accounts across popular platforms like Yahoo, Gmail, and Outlook. For Yahoo users, the first step is to update your contact information, adding an alternate email address and mobile phone number to facilitate contact in case of issues. Next, setting up second sign-in verification is imperative as it provides an extra layer of security, protecting your address. Regularly view your recent sign-in activity to ensure only legitimate access. Finally, delete other accounts used to sign in to prevent unauthorized connections. Protecting your Gmail account involves similar steps. Start by checking your recovery information, adding a recovery phone number and alternate email, along with setting a security question. Next, review your recent activity for any suspicious connections and verify account permissions, removing apps, websites, and devices no longer in use. It's also wise to revoke app passwords linked to in-use applications and ensure your two-step verification settings are accurate, adding a backup phone if necessary. Conclude the security checkup by validating these settings. For Outlook users, which has replaced the old Hotmail service since 2012, the first security measure is updating your contact information, adding an alternate email and phone number for emergency contact. Setting up a two-step verification adds vital protection, allowing you to connect using a security code sent to your phone, a smartphone app, or recovery codes for later use. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance your defense against cybercriminals and secure your email accounts effectively.